Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time, wherever you saw this link and you click on it, I'm gonna ask you guys to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, because there's a good chance you missed a lot of videos already that you could go back and see, and that way you will see the upcoming ones. So hit that subscribe button, guys, stay tuned and enjoy this beef casserole. Alright guys, so I'm working on a casserole today. So I got my ground beef, my pasta, you could use penne, I'm using bow tie, some sharp cheddar, cup of marinara sauce, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and some parsley. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these stuff prepped and put them together for you guys. Now that the water is boiling, I'm gonna add some salt, a little bit of oil. And you're gonna go ahead and add your pasta. You're gonna let that cook for around 10 minutes. Alright. Give it a little stir so they don't stick together. And let that cook for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so while our pasta is going, this is how everything is look after it's finished chopped. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on our ground beef right now. So our pasta is ready. We're gonna go ahead and strain these. So let's get working on our beef. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with a little bit of oil. Not a lot, because you know the beef is going to make its own liquid. Alright, so let's just allow this to get hot enough. Alright, you don't want to get too hot now because you don't want to burn anything. So let's just go ahead and add our onions. Alright, you can leave those onions down to sizzle. A little garlic. And gradually, while it gets hot, they will start caramelizing. Which is what we're going to do in this one. You don't want to start off on a high heat for this one, guys. Because especially if you're like me, where you don't like to eat onion, but you love to cook with onion. So what I do is I usually start off on a slow burner, and then gradually increase the heat. That way the onion, they all just get cooked out and the flavor is still there without tasting the actual onion chunk. Alright, so you can see we're getting hotter and hotter. That sizzle starts to get louder and louder. I'm gonna go ahead and add our beef. Salt and pepper over. Just going to go ahead and break up the beef. Salt and pepper to taste. I'll combine my salt and pepper together, so saves me a step. And this is a simple recipe, guys. I'm keeping it simple. You could add peas and carrots and other good stuff to this, but corn if you like, bell peppers if you like. But as I said, guys, I'm keeping this one very simple. Not adding anything crazy to this one. I'm gonna add some parsley probably to garnish. You're gonna make sure you get all your ground beef cooked and all the onion and garlic translucent. Almost there. You don't want to see no red. And make sure you get your oven going, guys, because we're going to finish this off in the oven. So our pasta is cooked and draining. You could add more oil to it so it don't stick together. bit more salt. All right, that's what we're looking for. Now you're gonna go ahead and add marinara sauce. Always keep back a little bit. Just gonna incorporate everything together. All right. All right. All right, now you're gonna get a pot, toss back your pasta. All right, freeze up, and a little bit of parsley. All right, I'm gonna add my meat, the ground beef. All right.